Hi, I'm Jason with OK 4-Wheel Drive and Alu-Cab USA, and this is the new ModCAP with the tailgate option. Let's take a closer look. So as you can tell here, we do have a rear door that matches and mates up with the tailgate, which is super cool. And this is a 4th gen Tacoma, so it actually has a power tailgate, and this is always kind of fun to do, right? So we've unlatched the latches here right now. This won't open because of this lip that's on top of the tailgate here on this bed cap. But all I want to do here, stand clear, and we'll open and show you the inside of the ModCAP with the tailgate. All right, so let me open the windows. Just like every ModCAP, we do have windows on the side. There is going to be options for, visibility, so you can have a non-window option. But every unit's always going to have the side doors. So inside, you can see that this isn't a straight conversion from the rear door that we're famous with, right? This has been gusseted and braced up here in the top. It does come with struts. We do also have an option for releasing the door from the inside, right? Because you always hear people saying, well, what happens when you get locked in or something like that, right? Well, that's not going to happen anymore here with this Tacoma and this camper. This unit will actually come with bed stiffeners here to help support the bed of these composite beds of these Tacomas are just notorious for needing to be stiffened up. But up top, we've chose to install the 2-sleep model. Now, because this is a ModCAP, we can install a flat roof, we can install a 2-sleep roof, and you can install a 4-sleep option as well. So this unit does have the 2-sleep option. What's also unique about this is you have visibility now, right? So there's no blank back bulkhead, space here. You can actually see through. I have a spare tire there, so I'm kind of like negating that at this point. But if you don't have a tire there, when you're looking through, you can see out the back of your truck, which is awesome, right? There's a lot of technology with digital screens and stuff like that, but this is just awesome. I love this product. I feel like it gives you more access to the back of the cab. So not having just a rear door here, I've got this entire cube of space that I can fill up with bikes and gear and maybe bags of stone from mulch or stuff like that for the garden, whatever. I can use this as a pickup. And when it comes time to and I want to remove it, I don't have to worry about all the plating and stuff like here and the fit kit and things like that. I can just unbolt from the accessory rails, lift this thing off, and I got my truck again. So this is the Alu-Cab ModCAP with the tailgate option.